munch on this watermelon.
She's trying so hard to do another one.
Paige, I know. It's hard.
Here,
huh?
Paige, do this one.
Okay.
You gonna do this one, Paige? Here, hold on. Let me see it, guys.
Try it. Help.
Okay, we got this. Okay, now
Do it.
can I put it on?
Hang on, careful. The table will fall.
Yeah.
Good job, Paige.
I don't have a spell.
Good job. Kira, you're fine.
Oh, I got water coming on me. It squirted on me. Okay. Squirted. I think we'll need a lot more.
Whoa, we're
Hang on.
Paige, stay here, please.
Oh, look.
Yeah, we're
I think
definitely.
it's going.
The crack?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cracking. It just cracked here. Casey.
Oh. They're in the garage on the where the nails and stuff are.
Look. How do you know?
All right, bye.
I think it's
Because I just saw it earlier.
I think we like wait.
We're just running out. Yeah.
Oh no, we can keep
Go. Oh, I can't. A rubber band broke.
going. It'll be okay.
Where did my ball go?
What?
You ball. You lost
Right
it.
there.
Okay, now this is a right watermelon, not a moldy watermelon.
I don't know if it's ripe or not. I just picked one.
Okay. No, just get one rubber band. I'm just getting one rubber band, and I'm literally
Almost there, I think.
putting almost every single rubber band inside it.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
How long have we
I'm
been
just
doing
putting
this?
every
26
single
minutes?
running out. What are we doing? I think we need more. Here, just pass every single rubber band to that side.
Yeah?
26 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then later it blows up at 30 minutes.
Maybe. It may blow up at 30 minutes. It may blow up at 32 minutes. It may
It's-
blow up at 29 minutes. I don't know.
If it blows up at 29, if it blows up at 29:59, I will
So we
get so
started
mad.
at 4:32. It's past
Because I said it's 30
I
minutes.
think
and it's
I-
right now it's gonna end
It
at 29.
will be at like. I think it will be at 5
I have a
o'clock.
bow and arrow. I'm gonna. What time is it?
5:02.
Check.
I don't know how it's.
Oh, it's 4:59. So you think it's gonna happen in 1 minute?
Yeah. I think it's gonna happen like at 5:02 since we came out at 4:32.
Wait, we came out at 4:32.
Yeah, I came here at. I came out at 4:32,
Whoa!
but it took us some minutes.
I literally woke up at somewhere around.
That watermelon.
I woke up at somewhere around 5 and 6.
The watermelon put juice on me.
Yeah.
It put juice on me.
He went to the
Me
store.
too. Let's look for more crabs.
I want to
I found more. Another crab.
Okay, well then.
I see the red. Let me see.
Oh no, that's not red. That's just where it's dirt.
Let me see.
It's just dirt.
Don't do that, Jamie.
Yeah, not when my face is right over it. Hey, don't hit it like that. There's a lot of pressure holding this thing.
And
And
we're
if you hit- if
running
you-
out. We're running out. We're running out.
Casey, if you hit it, it's liable that it could explode, and I don't want it to happen while my face is over it. See how how the pressure's changing in it?
Oh, thanks. No, I'm patting it. Oh, we got another rubber band. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but these rubber bands are going to be harder to put on, so we're going to put those on.
The small one.
Doesn't work.
I do not
Huh?
want to put any more
If it doesn't
rubber
work, like
bands
you
on.
still have like.
This is so
Oh yeah, if it still hasn't done that, then I'm taking a hand
want
to
to
it.
put rubber bands on, but I know.
What?
Nothing.
One at a time,
Ah.
guys.
Whew, it's hot. Really hot. Everyone get in the shade. Yeah. Everyone get
All right,
in
what?
the shade.
Okay.
What? I know. It's like we're not really even in the summer yet.
Looks like we are more excited than them.
I know. I'm blowing up a watermelon. Oh, See? Now there we go. That's what I was looking for.
Wow.
That's what I was waiting for.
Okay.
Stay back and watch.
All right, yeah. And it's starting to come out at the top too.
Yeah.
Oh, water. If it ends it.
Oh, almost there. Stay back.
Here, Hannah, I want you to stay back, honey. It's getting to here. Hold it that way, pull it that way, and I'll pull it this way. See what I'm saying?
This is our science experiment that
See how we can go faster doing it that way?
bands on this watermelon to make it explode. And while a lot of time, it'll somehow pop blew out of the watermelon. So we're gonna stay back and let it
Here, okay.
try to explode. Okay.
It's past 30 minutes.
Keep your face back.
Okay, we're running out.
Yeah, we're gonna watch it.
What if we run out?
It's okay, I
I thought a fly landed on me.
pull it. Pull it.
What the heck is this? What? Did you say what the heck?
She did say what the heck.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Look, my nails grabbed the watermelon.
It'll be okay. All right, guys. Hey, Kira, why'd you dump all those out? That naughty little...
She thought it was running out.
Well, no, I didn't need all of them pulled out.
I think we'll be.
Here, put these back inside of there, please. Oh,
Why
man.
did you do that? Why did you do that? Sorry.
Oh, I lost all the... That, please. Oh, I saw the big ones that were there. All right.
Okay, I got this last one here.
That one won't fit. Hang on. Yeah, that's what I said, hang on.
How about this one? How about this one?
Okay, hang on. We're getting there. We can't pull it around that much because it's like really close, all right?
Ooh, we're gonna just start as well. I think water will be coming soon. Okay, reel back.
Oops. Those are the small.
Casey just said, what the heck?
That's so good.
Again?
Yeah, these smaller ones are gonna do it.
More pressure.
Oh, too hard.
We're almost there.
I don't know how it's
Stay back on her. This side.
Okay. Explode! Explode!
Explode. I want to explode.
We have put a lot of rubber bands. No, and it's still not exploding.
It will. It's almost there. Look how it's going in.
But when will it explode?
We're getting there.
How much minutes has it been now? Past 5:02?
One side looks like a broken coconut.
Hello. It's 5:05? Not the time I planned?
Is it going to explode from the bottom?
I
don't know. We'll find out.
Move the GoPro camera when it explodes.
Oh,
Excuse
you're
me,
working
Miss-
non-stop.
I know. It's just like,
Excuse me, Miss Jen.
yes.
You can move the GoPro camera when it starts to explode.
Nah, it's okay. I'll just rinse it off.
Whoa, it's taking a long video.
It is.
33 minutes and 33, 41, 30. It's
All right.
raining quickly.
It is.
We're in the
Keep your
33
head back.
minutes.
Back you.
We have 33 minutes.
There's water.
And why I don't know
We're gonna
how
have-
to know. Now we're going to have 34 seconds.
And why it gets
34 minutes. It's going to explode.
Okay, Anna, back.
Okay. Whoa! We have 34 minutes now. And juicy.
Back.
Yeah, back up, guys. It's starting to juice now.
Oh! Ah! Oh my goodness!
It's almost there.
No, back up. Back up. Look, here's the thing. I'm recording it, okay?
Oh, okay.
I'm recording it, so when it happens, look, see? And one Renja. Here, you know some? Good. Don't you? You're not my supervisor. That's not the same. Kind of the same, but not the same.
Dun, dun, dun,
Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. It's splitting at the top.
Let me see. Dun, 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 dun,
Hang on.
dun, dun,
Stay
dun,
back.
dun, 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 dun. Ah!
Stay back. It just split.